Hey, how you doing? Justin back with you for Module 18. Plenty of fun things to learn in this module. You're going to start off by having a look at why it's really important to slow down a bit on your guitar journey, not to always be in a hurry to learn new things. Okay, learning a few things really well is a much better strategy for getting good at guitar. So we're going to talk about that in depth. We're also going to be looking at open tuning, something a lot of beginner guitar players are a bit scared of. You shouldn't be. It's an amazing way of opening up a whole new palette of sounds on the instrument. Really, really good fun. We're going to look at the minor pentatonic scale using legato. That's hammer-ons and flick-offs. You're already a little bit familiar with that, probably through doing the finger gym exercise. Really cool fun. We're going to be looking at a solo blues piece, so where you mix rhythm guitar and some riffs in with some licks, and eventually you'll be able to learn to incorporate your own licks into it as well, not just the set ones I give you in that study. There's plenty more of that style of stuff coming up in grade 4 and beyond, so yeah, I really hope you enjoy that one. We're going to look at a new way of learning triads. That'll be using them as chips, which are like short little rhythmic stabs, great as the second guitar part. We got a little bit more thinky stuff going on, a bit of more music philosophy. We're going to be exploring delay effects, so digital delay and analog delay, how they work, tape delay, how do we use those different sounds. We're going to got some transcribing. We're going to be looking at open chord transcribing, which is really good fun. And if you're looking at improvising, you should include some of that into your practice routine, but we'll get more into that when you get to the end of the module and we talk about what you should be practicing. Hope you enjoy it. See you for more in a sec. Bye.